Have you ever felt drawn to help others discover the mysteries of their past lives? With these steps, you will be well on your way to becoming a past life regression therapist. Donna Alice here, hypnotherapist, Reiki master, professional tarot reader, and all-around holistic witch. I love making videos about holistic healing and spirituality on a whole. Is this what you think of whenever you hear the words hypnosis? In today's video, I will walk you through to begin your journey as a past life regression therapist and offer some tips to make your practice truly impactful on others' lives. Each step will help you grow into a more compassionate and skilled practitioner. Step 1, research and learn the basics. Everything starts with research, right? Everything really starts with a thought and then research. So you've already come up with the thought that you want to become a past life regression therapist. Along with the research, I will come up with your reason for wanting to become one. For me, I had a profound experience when I received hypnotherapy. I gained clarity on patterns that started even before this life and learned how to apply this new information in a way that could positively affect this life. It's one of the reasons that I began my journey in helping others learn about holistic health and finding a way to take charge of their own health and along with that, their own lives. But for everybody, the reason is different. You'll want to dive deep into understanding past life regression therapy, how it works, why people use it, why people might want it to start with, and any misconceptions that go along with that. When some people hear the word hypnosis, many might think of someone walking across the stage clucking like a chicken. You'll want to learn what it is, its history, and the impact it can have on other people's lives, as well as your own. Past life regression is a type of hypnotherapy that helps people recall memories from past lives, often bringing insight, healing, and a deep connection to their soul's individual journey. Becoming a past life regression therapist allows you to guide people through profound healing experiences that can transform their lives. With these steps, you will be well on your way to becoming a past life regression therapist faster than you could imagine. Read books, listen to podcasts, watch videos like this one. You may even want to try an introductory course online or in person. You may want to attend workshops, seminars, really get a broad picture of the hypnotherapy community and with that, the past life regression therapy community, as there are many of us that practice this type of hypnotherapy. Why? Because it can provide deep healing and insight for those that we work with. I have learned so much from other past life regression therapists, not only in person, but through books and online. Dolores Canon is one of the most famous past life regression therapists that I have studied under. And I did that by watching online seminars, trying out her past life regression meditations, and even between life and future life meditations. But those will come later down the road. Michael Sealey's work gave me a great amount of insight and comfort in times of grieving, understanding others' journeys between lives, having lived past lives, those that have shared information that they experienced between lives. It renewed my faith that there was something beyond this physical world. And that was amazing for me at that time, and it still is. Reading books, listening to audiobooks, watching past interviews. These are all ways that I have learned, as well as online courses. I would highly recommend any of the books by Dolores Canon and Michael Sealey. However, there are a few that really have stood out for me. Ones that really brought me deep comfort in hard times. I read the Nostradamus series at the beginning of such a time of change for us. And I really needed something to, again, restore my faith of my place in this universe and in my own journey. Nostradamus, Between Lives, and Keepers of the Garden are absolutely my favorite books on past life regression. They not only delve into past lives on Earth, but also those on other planets and different dimensions. All worth exploring if you are wanting to work with others, as we never know where one of their past lives was or when. Secret time. 2 of mine were in other dimensions. And one of them was in ancient times, and it gave me a lot of clarity about my family in this life. I would recommend doing self-practice with another hypnotherapist or with online meditations. This step is very important as it will let you know if you are really called to this line of work, if this is something that you want to be your day-to-day, week by week, or even month by month. If you're looking for somewhere to begin, go ahead and check out last week's past life regression meditation. If you're interested in more videos on past life regression and holistic healing, be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified as soon as a new video comes out. Please leave a comment below with any questions or personal experiences with past life regression therapy. You guys are what keeps this channel running. And when you tell me what you need, I can deliver it to you week by week. Thank you so much for joining.